Hi, welcome to Creating Button Lesson 3. Today, I'm going to show you how to insert audio or sound effect to your button. First, you have to import the sound file or audio file. The format that you can use is WAV or WAV file, or you can use MP3 also. Go to File menu, Import, choose Library, then choose the audio file that you have, whether WAV file or MP3. So when you import your audio file, you can see to the library, then you can play the audio. Right now, if you have the button, double click to edit it, then click to downframe, then just drag the audio or sound file to the stitch. Then you can see one line to the frame. The line indicate they have sound in the frame. So go to Scene menu, Control, the Scene. That's all. Bye.